This is building wireless sensor networks. This is chapter 4, the romantic lighting sensor. This thing comes in two parts. There's the daughter board, the sensor board with the Zigbee and the photocell, photoresistor. And on the companion side is the Arduino that detects the levels and sets off the sensor in the certain times, and of course its corresponding Zigbee. Both of those are in the Adafruit daughter boards. So this one's also pretty straightforward. When the amount of light reaches a certain range, it will light up its indicator light and provide feedback. So the A to D is being read here, and that data is being sent to the Arduino. The Arduino is lighting the LED when it gets into a certain range, and then once the light is lit, it will send a feedback data to the sensor daughter board. So if you get it in the right range, it'll light up. You can see that there's a noticeable delay in its feedback, which is kind of interesting. I figured it'd be a lot faster than that, but might be a lot more complicated. So if let's see here, if we can get rid of RX here, if we disconnect RX, what's going to happen is that the A to D measurements are going to be sent from here to the Arduino, and the Arduino won't be able to respond. So of course its corresponding feedback light won't light. It is all data driven by the A to D. And you can see that if we disconnect the TX here, the A to D measurements are being sent, but they aren't being received because there's no RX, so nothing happens. Connect it back up, of course. If we connect it back up, we can see that it all lights up. The toughest part about this project is confirming that the sensor board works. You're sending a message from the Arduino to the Zigbee over AT commands, and I don't have any equipment to determine if it's being sent. So I had the hardest time trying to figure out what was wrong. And I finally figured out I put in the Zigbee board backwards, and I'm surprised I didn't blow it out. But once we sorted that out, it works out pretty well. Light and light. Thank you for watching.